In this video, I'll be explaining how to find mean of group data using two methods. First, I'll be discussing shortcut and the other one step deviation. So I'll be writing the steps on the left side so that you have an idea what comes next. First, write down the class interval using the question. So as you can see, the class interval is over here. So write down class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Now the next step is to find class mark. So how do we find class mark? We can find class mark by taking the lower limit and upper limit. So lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. So here 5. The second one, 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. 20 and 30, midpoint is 25. 30 and 40, 35, 45, 55. Next, we need to assume a mean, and using the mean, find a deviation by using the formula x minus a. You can take any of the x values, preferably take it somewhere from the middle. So you can select either 25 or 35. So let's select 25. So assume mean is 25. Now we need to find the deviation by using the formula x minus a. In the first case, 5 minus 25 will be equal to minus 20. Next, 15 minus 25 will be equal to minus 10. Then 25 minus 25, 0. 35 minus 25, 10. 45 minus 25, 20. Next, 30. Now, write down the frequency using the question. So, frequency will be, next, multiply f into d. So, let's find f into d. So, minus 20 into 2, minus 40. Minus 10 into 5, minus 50. 0, 60, 140. Now find the sum of fd and sum of frequency. So the sum of frequency will be 30. And to find the sum of f and d, first let's find the negative part. So that is minus 90. Then let's find the positive part, equal to 260. So sum of f and d will be 170. So the last step, use the formula and find mean. So now we can use the formula to find mean. The formula for shortcut is a plus summation of fd by summation of f, where a is 25 plus summation of fd is 170 divided by 30. So you'll get here 25 plus 5.67. So if you add both, you'll get 31.67. So the mean using shortcut is 31.67. Next, let's discuss how to find mean using step deviation. On the left side, I'll write down the steps. First step is to write the class interval from the question. So let me write down. So class intervals are. The next step is to find the class mark. You can find the class mark by using the same logic, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So you can see here 0 plus 15 divided by 2, which is equal to 7.5. Now, as you know, the difference between the class interval is 15. We can keep adding to it. So if I add 15 to this, I'll get 22.5. Add 15 to this, I'll get 37.5. Next, 52.5, 67.5, and 82.5. The next step is to assume a mean and find deviation. So let's assume a mean. So in this case, we'll take 37.5. Now let's find deviation by using the formula x minus a. Same way, 7.5 minus 37.5 will be equal to minus 30. 22.5 minus 37.5 will be minus 15. Then 0, 15, 30, 45. Next, we need to find the class width, which will represent with the letter I, and the step deviation. I is the difference of the class interval. So as you know, the difference between the class interval is 15. So we'll keep it as 15. And the step deviation you can find by using t is equal to d by I. So in this case, d is minus 30 divided by 15 is equal to minus 2. Same thing, minus 15 divided by 15 is equal to minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let's write the frequency using the question. So frequency is 3, 4, 7, 6, 8, 2. Next, let's multiply f into t. So f into t will be minus 6, minus 4, 0 into 7, 0, 1 into 6, 6, 16, 6. Now we need to find the sum of f of t and sum of frequencies. So if we add all the frequencies, we will get the answer as 30. And to find the sum of f of t, let's simplify the negative part. So we'll get minus 10 here, and the positive part, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 6, 28. So 28 minus 10 is 18. Now the last step is to use the formula for step deviation and find mean. So the formula is mean is equal to a plus summation of f into t by summation of f into I. A is 37.5 plus sigma ft is 18 divided by sum is 30 into class interval is 15. So 15 ones are, 15 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 nines are. So 37.5 plus 9, which is equal to 46.5. So this is how you find mean using step deviation method.